ababaka abatuula kakiiko ka palamenti akalondoola entambuza y'emirimu mu bitongole bya gavumenti olwali lubadde mu kwetegereza ebyafulumira mu alipoota ya ssaabalalizi w'ebitabo bya gavumenti bwe gutuuka ku kitongole ekivunaanyizibwa ku bya inshuwa mu ggwanga ki Insurance Regulatory Authority. Ababaka kyokka baguddewo ekigwo bwe bakizudde ng'okulondebwa kwa Protazio Sunday okulondebwa ku kifo eky'okukola ng'akulira ekitongole kino bwe kyakolebwa mu ngeri etaagoberera mateeka.
The instrument appointing you as the acting chief executive officer. We need the chronology, because now you said you were appointed on which day?
On the 1st of June 2026.
Madam Lawyer, you said the board sat when?
Chair, it was before that.
No. We don't want before, after. What date did the board sit?
Chair, you've allowed me time to verify the dates. Kindly let me get all the dates so that
Your procedure?
The board held this meeting, the 266th board meeting,
yes,
on the 29th of April 2026.
Yes.
And this is when the recommendation for Dr. Sunday to be appointed was made to the minister.
Who are present at that sit?
Ono kisangiddwa nga yalondebwa ng'ennaku z'omwezi lumu omwezi ogw'omukaaga omwaka guno ng'era kino kyakolebwa omutesiteeso wa minisitule y'ebyensimbi Ramadhan Gobi so nga obuvunaanyizibwa buno buli mu mikono gya minisita w'ebyensimbi.
Who is appointment done?
After the board has made a recommendation, a letter is written by the board chair to the minister, and then the minister uses his discretion to appoint chair.
Now in this case, who appointed?
In this case, it was the PSST that appointed, but Chair, as I was beginning to say, we're made to understand there's already an instrument that gave the PSST those powers to act in the position of the Minister of Finance. You can avail a copy, Chair.
A copy?
Yes.
A copy of what?
I saw it. A copy of, I'll call it an instrument.
An instrument from who?
It was an instrument from the head of public service.
Saying?
Chair.
Because when the law specifically says the minister,
we send these people back to organize themselves better, and we have another engagement sometime, because we may not achieve what we wish.
Abaka era bakitegedde nti eyali akulira ekitongole kino Alhaji Ibrahim Kaduna Birubega wadde contract ye yaggwako mu mwezi ogwokutaano wabula n'okutuuka kati akyaganya okuwayo yafeesi eri eyamuddira mu bigere songa era n'emmotoka ey'omulimu kizuuliddwa nga teyaweebwayo wadde ssentebe w'olukiiko olufuzi okuwandiika ebbaluwa emusaba okuwaayo ebintu ebyo.
I have one contract which has expired.
Yes.
But the 16 I was mentioning, those ones have not yet expired, because our policy requires that when the contract remains with a period of 6 months, somebody can apply for a renewal. So the 16 are in the process, but that particular one expired.
So the 16 are due to expire?
Yes, they will be expiring in the period of...
The gentleman before us here, as acting or as substantive accounting officer, any continued transaction by the very officer in public resources contravenes the law in its entirety, and us leaving it the way it is without pronouncing ourselves firmly is creating disaster in the next financial year.
With the powers to appoint an accounting officer, later on the CEO, but accounting officer, the position that is very relevant in this meeting is the PSST. Let us summon him. He comes here and he fixes his appointment here, then we proceed. But it would be wrong for us to proceed with an entity when we do not have an accounting officer.
You have to go back to Minister of Finance and get powers. Now who does that? Because you do not have that instrument with you. And you are telling us here that you have instruments because you have your office of strategy where you sit, and the public wants to know, Chair, through you.
So
he's not the accounting
officer. Is raising a concern.
When it comes to...
But for you, you chose to start to sit acting chief executive officer. And the chief executive officer was the accounting officer. By extension, appointed as accounting officer. And I'm saying that is our interpretation, but we can be guided otherwise here. And we are here for evidence really.
Wano ssentebe w'akakiiko wasinzidde n'abagoba era n'abalagira bakomewo nga 10 omwezi ogujja nga beeterezeza bulungi era n'abalagira bwe baba bakomawo bajje n'eyali ssenkulu w'ekitongole omutesiteso wa minisitule y'ebyensimbi ba board member ab'ekitongole abakadde kw'ossa n'ebbaluwa ezikakasa nti ddala Protazio Sunday baamulonda okugira ng'akola nga ssentebe w'ekitongole kino.
Bamulonda nga acting naye akyatula mu office ye kubanga office ya CEO eyagirimu yagiggala kati ali naye nga ate ono lwe bamulonda leero n'oli olwaddako yajja mu office kati nga tuyinza okuba tulina ba CEO babiri nga bali mu office mu kitongole kyekimu kakati ngono kyasooka okukola kyeyakolako kyokka za kukyusa account na transaction za ssente naye ate obuyinza n'ebirala batugambye nti board yabitumya kati twagala okwekennenya abaffe ekitongole kino kituuka bidi okutandikako nga ebitakwatagana bikyali bingi nga bwetutandika audit report twetaaga okubeera sure nti gwe twogera naye gwe tubuuza yakwatibwako.
Sebugenyi Joseph yakusakidde eggulire lino ku KTV Amalindi.